Welcome back to Mr. Bit. As you can see, I've already had an accident, but today we've got a Toyota MR2 in today for resurrecting from the dead, and we're gonna have to perform some CPR on it. So we're just gonna I think it's dead. Lost keys. I think these might do the trick. Oh, see if it works. Woo! That's good enough for us, isn't it? Oh, that's good enough. Mr. 2's back alive. Anyway, let's get right into this one. Wheels first. Tyre brush on the tyres. So with the wheels done, now it's time to foam this bitch up, yo! As always, we're starting with Built Hamber's Auto Foam, and we're going to blow us load of white foamy goodness all over the body work. This has the best cleaning ability of any foam on the market by a mile, and it should be used as a pre-wash and applied to a dry body. I usually run this around 30% for a little bit longer work time, as it's a little bit runny, but it doesn't matter really. It really is like battery acid for dirt on cars. It's fantastic. Once we've let this dwell, I just use a detail brush and we just jam it in all the trim and all the small holes and fuel filler cap around the car and things. Using a pressure washer, we're just going to rinse off all the foam and the dirt. You don't need massive pressure on your pressure washer. We're not cleaning patios and flags and things. We're trying to wash the car, not strip the paint. That's why we use chemicals. Just let them do all the work, and especially a car like this, you need to be particularly careful because it's had more rebuilds and filler jobs than Michael Jackson's nose. With the exterior all rinsed off now, it's time for a shampoo contact wash. Oh, shampoo, I wanna be like you. Oh yes, oh yes. Do you want a shampoo? So I shampoo myself, because I'm a bit of a dirty bastard as well. She's beautiful. Oh yeah. I'm nice and clean now, ready to clean the car. Oh yes! Oh yes! Yes! We interrupt this broadcast to bring you Mr. Bit's commercial break. So this is Mr. Bit's luxury sexy car wash, where he uses both hands to gently caress the bodywork in foamy lather, and you know when he's working he's covering every inch, and he guarantees when he's finished you will have received the best bang for your buck. With the contact wash done now, it's just time to rinse the car off before we clay bar it and polish it. So if you look at the paint here, you can see how it's pink. That is actually from sun damage. You know when you go on holiday or vacation and you see all them old farts and coffin dodgers who've been sat out in the sun too long and the skin resembles a burnt out, dried out raisin and they're needing a facelift to cure it? Well, that's exactly what's happened here, and we're just doing a little bit of automotive plastic surgery to bring this back to life. Mr. Bit is now Dr. Mr. Bit. Right, we're onto the interior of the vehicle now. So we're going to take the seats out because obviously they've been wiping the chocolate starfish all over it. So they need to be out. Then we'll to inside. So we're on to vacuuming the carpets now. We're just going to use this to suck up any dirt and debris and any odds and sods that are in there in the carpet gremlins. Just using the pump spray here just to spray some solution into the carpets. This is a Mixer Surf X HD with some vinegar and a little bit of citrus added into it to take away the vinegary smell. Just leave this to soak before hitting it with a drill brush. You can see the amount of green filth that we're sucking out of these carpets. I don't know what's in it, some kind of grassy, mouldy, gangrene or something, but we're just using the Bissell Spot Clean Professional here and just spraying pure hot water to dilute the solution before extracting. And if you need any of these products, the links are in the description of everything I use. So now it's brown underpants time for some people when they see me give it an interior bath. You don't need to worry, the electrics are fairly well sealed on cars like these. They have to be able to withstand weathering and people leaving windows down and roofs open, so they don't get warranty claims when they're new, especially because nobody's going to admit to leaving the roof open or the window open and all the electricals failing. They're just going to say it stopped working. So we're using a detail brush here and the drill brush in the door cards, and then we're going to apply some steam and then extract them. Time to suck off the seats here, using the vacuum cleaner in all the crevices. Then we're going to spray some leather solution on here, rub it in with a leather brush, wipe them over and apply some leather feed. To finish the car off, we're just applying some G-Technique T2 tyre shine to all the wheels, and that is us complete. That's another banger resuscitated and brought back from the dead, and as you can see, it looks absolutely fantastic. Oh, it's even convertible. That's that. Anyway, oh, that's that one done.